Action Jackson. Today we have a website review, and it's more of a curiosity type of deal. It's called extrabucks.com. Extrabucks.com. Link will be in the description. So, I'm trying this website out. I am on a lot of the cashback websites. The most famous cashback website is Ebates/Rakuten. They're the most known. Cashback is when you purchase something online and you get cashback for it. You have to go through the portal, which would be one of these websites, Lemony, Rakuten, Extra Bucks, and you click the web store you want to shop on, and once you click it, you get transported to that website, and you just buy the object, and you get the cash back once it goes through. So for Extra Bucks, I have no idea what's going to happen. I can't really give you a full review. This is more of a curiosity review, and a full review will take place in about a couple months. So, Extra Bucks is basically, you want to shop at Target, Walmart, online, Kohl's, eBay, any store you can think of, and this includes European stores. They're a worldwide cashback website. So if you want to shop at any website, you go through the Extra Bucks website, and you click and you search the type of store you want, and you click that, and it goes to the portal of going to the actual website, and you shop online. So I have no idea if they're going to honor all my cashback trips, as I've had quite a bit of them. We're going to see. I've looked at Google reviews, and they are mixed, completely mixed. Some people said it wasn't a scam. Others say it was a scam. They deleted their accounts, which is interesting. So if you do get a lot of money through these portals, I wonder if they will delete your account. I don't know, which is illegal. I would think so. I'm not sure. They're gonna say, obviously gonna say you're violating some type of term of service or whatever, But we'll see if they're actually true to their word and honor. If you make a lot of payments and you make a lot of purchases through Extra Bucks, so we'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen. There's no reviews on YouTube of this website. It has been around for a long time, which is very interesting. And there's actually they've been on the news, the local news, the co-founder and the founders, and so it should be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen, but if this website turns out legitimate, what a hidden gem this website could be. But I don't know, and we're going to find out. This is good documentation for us. So if they're trying to do a little screw job, we'll see if they do the screw job or not. I don't know. I don't like scamming. I don't like false advertisement, and I do not like dishonest business. Like I said, we're gonna see, and more detail, more review to come if legitimate. I'm not gonna promote something that's not legitimate. All right.